Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we will show you how to insert screenshots in Excel on Mac. If you want to add images, reports, or visual references to your spreadsheets, this is for you. Now, on your Microsoft Excel on Mac, for example, if you are on a Mac and you want to insert screenshots, here is what you need to do. We cannot show the process directly since we are currently using Windows, but we will walk you through how it works on Mac. To insert a screenshot, simply click the Insert tab at the top. You will see Insert, and then you will notice the Illustrations option. We have an image example here so you can follow along. As you can see at the top of Excel, there is an Illustrations option. Just click the drop-down on Illustrations, and you will see the Screenshots option right away. Once you click Screenshots, your available options will appear. You can see them here. You will have these options to choose from, depending on what you want to insert. Just select the screenshot you want. This makes it easy to insert screenshots into Excel on Mac using the built-in tools. Now you know exactly how to insert screenshots in Excel on Mac.